Hey guys.
Hi. Welcome to Wise Week Warrior. We are going on a ski trip the second week of January.
Well, we'll be snowboarding.
Okay, snowboarding. We're going on a snowboarding trip. The January 11th to the 18th of 2020. So very excited about that. So we ordered a couple things off Amazon. Well, did we get these off Amazon?
I did. So I was looking around. I was trying to find the best deal, the best helmets and goggles and ski gear that we weren't going to have to spend an arm and a leg on for snowboarding.
We want to end up going more than, we know we're going to go more than once, so we just decided instead of spending the money on the rentals, let's just go ahead and order it and have it for ourselves, and we'll just own it, and then that way it's just done.
And two, you don't have to worry about who's been wearing it, and because by the time you pay for
and
the
lice.
by the time you've paid for a rental there, you've almost paid for the cost of the helmet, and you could own it.
Yeah.
So I found these. They looked like they had decent reviews. They're the official supplier of the ski and snowboard team, U.S. ski and snowboard team. So I figured they got to be pretty decent.
It's Wildhorn. Wildhorn is the name of the brand.
And I got a large in the stealth. It's black. Kaylin got.
I got a medium in Arctic white. It literally, I think it was in centimeters that they measured it. They just gave them. We took a soft measuring tape, and literally it was just like from the largest.
Widest point of your head.
Yeah, and we just measured. Simple. It was pretty simple and straightforward.
So let's dive in.
A medium is 55 to 59 centimeters.
And large is 59 to 62 centimeters. We'll put a link to these below and the sizing and all that good
we
stuff.
got the helmets off Amazon. We ended up going back and getting ski goggles from the actual Wildhorn site, but those have not come in yet. So.
And we will post a review of those as well.
It says go and get done.
Go and get done.
Ooh, it's so pretty. It's so white. Wow.
Initial. It's a helmet. Feels like it'll protect.
Feels like a nice helmet.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
It feels pretty it's super lightweight. I don't know why I thought a helmet should weigh more. I don't know what I was expecting. But it's very lightweight.
It's very nice. One reason why I did like these, it's got
super padded on the inside.
It's got padding that will cover your ears, so you don't have to wear a toboggan underneath if you don't want to. And it is adjustable. It's got a place where you can snap your ski goggles to the band around the back.
Even the chin strap has really good padding on it, which is nice. All right. I'm gonna shoot here. Oh wow, that fits nice.
Oh yeah. I bet it looks styling and profiling.
Styling and profiling.
And
I'm not even having to readjust mine.
Wow, me neither. Good job, Wildhorn.
Wow.
I could loosen up.
It has the little thing on the back too. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it. It has a little turnstile on the back, so you can tighten it to your head if it's a little big.
I'm assuming.
Wow, that's really nice. That fits perfectly snug. This is amazing. Wow. Yeah. Wow, Wildhorn. I feel, and it feels like it leaves a good amount of room for your goggles too. I don't feel like it's going to be sitting so low on my forehead that I can't get my goggles on. So that's really nice too. It's very comfortable. Really comfortable.
Very nice. Very nice. I like it.
This little stern tile on the back. So this is a medium. I can't remember exactly. I'll find it and I'll put it on the screen. Exactly what my head measurement was. But if you're right on the line on the high end, so the large is a 59. So if you're 58 or 59, you aren't really sure. My guess would probably be go up the size.
You can always tighten it.
Because you can tighten it in the back and make sure it fits your head properly, plus the chin strap. But the tightening around your actual head is really nice. These are great.
Good job, Wildhorn.
I've never owned a snowboarding helmet before, so I don't know what to expect, but from initial reaction,
I like
it's not coming off my head!
Gonna have to shred some double blacks in this, double black diamond.
I'm this is really nice though.
For real. Very good job. I like it.
Oh, nice. Okay, so on the side it says claim your free helmet bag. Scan here or go to wildhornoutfitters.com
so we'll be going to wildhorn.com.
And you get a free premium Tricot helmet storage bag.
Let's try to do a little bit close up. Like I said, here's your snap for your goggles. How it goes.
It is the Wildhorn Drift.
There's what does this do?
I don't know what this on the top does.
That's vents. Ah, you open and close vents. Wow. See?
Oh, wow!
Yeah.
That's so cool. Yeah, okay, so it has a vent system.
So if it's too cold,
you can vent out in case your head gets really warm. and close it
Wow.
up. Wow, that's actually really
It's
nice.
a really nice helmet.
Oh my god. They were how much? 70?
Yeah, roughly.
$69, I think. We'll put the exact cost in the link.
64, I believe. $64.99 each.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. And they are nice.
Which out there you're gonna pay like what, $10 a day for a helmet?
Average, probably about 10 average.
So even if we're only skiing for 4 days each, it's $40. So you go twice and you've paid for the helmet. And
Which
you know,
we
it's your
will
helmet,
do.
it fits. You don't have to worry about taking it back and everything. It's
And
really comfortable.
For packing wise, I figured, hey, we'll just put this in the bag and you throw your shirts or anything in there, wrap them up, and then it won't. They're just actual circumference. So the helmet's not going to take up much room in your suitcase because you can just plug clothes in your helmet. So cool.
Good job, Wildhorn. I'm
Very
really
nice.
impressed. It's really comfortable. I'm excited to use it, and we'll let y'all know how they work, like actually out there, how comfortable they are, how they fit with goggles. So we ordered the Wildhorn goggles, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume they're gonna fit really nicely with this since they're made by the same company. But whenever we get our goggles in, we'll do a video and we'll show y'all, and we'll try the helmets on with the goggles to let you know how they fit.
Cool.
So.
Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, keep up with us and our travels, and
Yep.
follow along, and we will see you out there on the slopes, guys. See y'all.
Okay,
Yeah, don't worry.
bye guys.
Bye.